do is lay in bed awake at night, dreaming of the things that I could say. It's too late. Why do I feel like I should have known by now? 'Cause everyone is just pretending to know. So I'm finding out as I go.
Hi guys, do you know about Dairy Farm Quarry? Actually, the Dairy Farm Quarry is a hidden place here in Dairy Farm Nature Park. It's just made of granite rock. It's very different from all the quarries here in Singapore. So here we go guys, join me and I will allow me to show you the very beautiful Dairy Farm Quarry made of granite rock. Hi guys, today we are here in Dairy Farm Nature Park. Hi guys, this way we're going to Dairy Farm Quarry. But on this left, we're going to Dairy Farm Nature Park, Wallace Educational Center. Okay guys, now we're going inside in Dairy Farm Quarry. It's a very nice place though guys. This is like the roots hanging from the top to the bottom guys. Hey guys, in this park, it's not allowed the motorbike. That's motorbike. So we just keep on going, guys. And we turn into the left. Oh, they're cutting the biggest trees here, guys. Look at that. Cyclists this way. So this way, guys. We're doing cycle, guys. Hi guys, as we're entering now in Dairy Farm Quarry, and this is the entrance. This is it, guys. It's really beautiful. Look at this, guys. It's really beautiful. This dairy farm quarry is different quarries from the other quarry here in Singapore, because it's just only a granite rock quarry. It don't have the lake in front of the quarry. Hi guys, this is only for mountain biking only. People are not allowed to go there inside for hiking. Yeah, look at this, guys. It's Dairy Farm Quarry. This quarry is very unique because it's just only a granite rock. Don't have lake there at the bottom, so it's totally different from all the quarries here in Singapore. Actually, this place is a hidden place. Just mostly of the people coming here is just all bikers. It's beautiful, guys. Look at that. It's really beautiful. Look at those bikers, guys. So this is the Dairy Farm Quarry, guys. It's really high and tall, and also it's surrounded by the very tall and high trees over on the top and on the side, or at the bottom of the quarry. But this quarry is really totally different from other quarries in Singapore, guys. Because this quarry is made of granite rock and also don't have lakes at the bottom. And usually quarries in Singapore, there is a lake at the bottom, but this one is not. It's really amazing, guys. Look at that. It's really beautiful place. It's just mostly bikers. It's here. They're doing a mountain bike over there. It's beautiful, guys. Look at the weather. It's hot, but it's really windy, so it's very nice. It's huge, guys. It's really high and tall. It's beautiful, right, guys? It looks like a mountain also. This dairy farm quarry. It's really beautiful, guys. If you really want to see this dairy farm quarry, you can come here, guys. Just alight in Hellview MRT. And this field is also very huge, guys. Look at the field. Hi guys, thank you for watching my videos. I hope that you will help me to support and subscribe my channel. Comment, like, and share as well. Hit the notification bell for more videos updates. Thank you guys. See you in my next vlog. Have a God bless day everyone. Bye guys. I love you.